Well, I'm working on the D100 Custom Sports Special. And today I've been working on putting in DEI products, tunnel shield, boom mat, and some under carpet light. And the reason I'm doing that is I had to get at a trans leak from underneath the floorboard, and I figured I'd take the time to do some of the work on the interior that I've been putting off. So I wanted to kind of talk through some of the products I'm using from DEI. So this is the tunnel shield product from DEI, and so kind of how I installed it in one piece, just cut it in a big square and cut some relief cuts in here so I could contour it around this complex curve here. Then came back over on top of that with some high temperature aluminum foil tape. This is like ducting tape. And so that's purely to protect the fiberglass from burning up. Sometimes fiberglass is a little prone to burning. So I kind of covered the cracks and just reinforced that area a little bit with the aluminum foil tape. This is pretty heavy stuff, and so that's essentially. Now I have maybe a piece here to show you what this looks like here. So this is the tunnel shield product. It is a sandwich of fiberglass and reflective hard aluminum material, and it has a adhesive backing that you pull off there, and that'll adhere to a surface that's clean and dry. And like it shows in the box here, one of the uses is under the trans tunnel. The other product I'm using is DEI's under carpet light. It's a carpet underlayment material, and it feels like I've gotten this on me. I can't say if it's got some fiberglass and wool in it, but it's a material that seems synthetic, and so this goes on top of some of the areas that I don't have, that I've just got painted here. So this truck originally was optioned with carpeting, so I'll be putting carpeting on top of this. And the other product that I'm using here is some of the Boom Mat product. You can see there, working on the spots that seem to resonate the most, and adding the material in those areas. And this area will be under a seat, obviously, so it won't be as obvious. That area up there will be more obvious as far as noise goes. This underlayment material insulates noise pretty well, and so if I feel like I need to do some more, maybe I'll go under the floorboard on the other side and maybe put some of that heat shield on the bottom side of the floorboard. Anyways, DEI, if you're watching, I'd love to get some discounts for Mopar fans out there, particularly the Austin Mopar Muscle Car Club.